that feeling of dread when you struggle to get up from a chair or lose your balance walking up the stairs? That is the start of muscle loss, and it happens a lot earlier than most people realize. I'm here to tell you that there is a supplement that can actually rebuild that muscle even as we get older, and it's not protein powder. It is something most of us have never even heard of, but the research on it is undeniable. I'm Dr. Joanette, and for the past 30 years, I have worked in the ER, seeing firsthand how devastating muscle loss and frailty can be for older adults. But I didn't just study this issue in a lab. I've also lived it and witnessed it across 3 generations of my own family's blue zone lifestyle. I grew up in a blue zone where people routinely live into their 90s and beyond. They are full of energy and independence, and for most of my life, I have carried on that longevity-focused lifestyle, not just as a doctor, but also as someone who practices what they preach. That is why the topic of muscle health and preventing age-related decline is so personal for me. I've seen how critical it is, not just in my clinical practice, but in my own everyday life. And I am here to share with you one of the most powerful tools that I have actually found to fight against muscle loss. It is a supplement in conjunction with resistance training that the research shows can actually rebuild your strength, even in adults well into their 90s. So today you are going to learn 4 things. You're going to learn the surprising truth about when muscle loss starts and why it will accelerate after you hit the age of 50. You're going to learn about a supplement that has actually been proven to rebuild muscles in older adults, how you can use this supplement strategically for maximum benefit, and the research behind this supplement that shows why it works, even for people in their 70s, 80s, and 90s. As a doctor, one of the most frustrating and heartbreaking things I see is how quickly people lose their independence and their mobility as they get older. I'll have patients in their 70s who can barely get up from a chair or walk across a room without needing some assistance. And it's not because they have some terminal illness. It's because their muscles have simply wasted away. Here's the truth. Muscle loss starts a lot earlier than most of us realize. By the time we hit our 30s, we have actually begun losing as much as 3 to 8% of our muscle mass per decade if we become sedentary. And that decline will begin to accelerate dramatically after the age of 50, where we can lose as much as 1–2% of our muscle mass per year. That is about a ½ pound of muscle mass per year. Now, that doesn't sound like a whole lot, but when you think about it, it means that between the age of 50 and 60, we are going to lose 15 pounds of lean muscle mass if we have a sedentary lifestyle. And here's the thing, it's going to likely be replaced with fat. That 15 pounds of muscle loss isn't just an inconvenience. It is a prime indicator of falls, of disability, and even death. Our leg strength is the single best indicator of how independent and mobile we are going to be in our later years. Weak leg muscles means that we are at a much higher risk of ending up in a nursing home or needing full-time care. Here's the good news, though. There is a supplement that can actually help reverse that muscle loss, even in older adults. Now, it's not a protein powder. In fact, most people have never even heard of it, but the research on its ability to rebuild muscles is really very much undeniable. And the supplement is creatine monohydrate. Now, I know that you may be thinking, creatine? Isn't that just for those gym bros and bodybuilders? And you will be partly right. Creatine monohydrate has long been one of those go-to supplements for the athletes and the fitness enthusiasts looking to pack on a bit more muscle and boost their performance. However, the research on creatine's ability to increase lean muscle mass, strength, and power output is really robust. And hundreds of studies have been done on younger, healthier population. But here's the thing. Those benefits don't stop at the gym door. Those same mechanisms that make creatine so effective for muscle building in the young, fit individual also apply to older adults that are dealing with age-related decline. How cool is that? So as we get older, our natural creatine levels start to drop, and that is a big problem because creatine plays a critical role in the cellular processes that our muscles use to produce energy. Without sufficient creatine, those energy-producing pathways become impaired, and that contributes to the loss of muscle mass and strength. The reason creatine is so effective is that it directly supports the cellular processes that our muscles use to produce energy. In other words, it kind of acts like a battery. It gives our muscles that extra boost when our muscles need it the most. And as we get older, our natural creatine levels start to decline, making supplementation even more critical. That is why the latest research has now been turned to focus on examining creatine's impact on older adult populations, and the results literally have been nothing short of remarkable. Studies have shown that when older adults combine creatine monohydrate with a resistance training program, that they will see amazing gains in muscle mass and muscle strength. For example, there was a study that found 70-year-olds who took creatine monohydrate gained nearly twice as much muscle as those who didn't. Another study that looked at 74-year-olds saw a 6% increase in muscle fiber size when they supplemented with creatine, compared to no change in a placebo group. And it's not just about building muscle. Creatine monohydrate also has been shown to improve our balance, our gait speed, and our overall physical function as we age, which means that it doesn't just make us stronger, it also helps us stay more mobile, be more independent, and also less prone to falls as we age. As you know, falls is one of the biggest predictors of a shortened lifespan. So while creatine monohydrate may have first gained fame in the bodybuilding world, the latest research is making it clear that that supplement also has enormous potential when it comes to combating the muscle loss that plagues so many older adults. It is a case of taking a well-established tool and then applying it to a new population with some pretty amazing results. I just want to take a moment to say thank you for being here. The fact that you chose to spend a little of your time watching this channel genuinely means a lot to me. If you're enjoying the content and haven't already subscribed, I'd like to ask you a small favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the community here. It really helps this channel grow and lets me keep making more videos like this. Now, let's get back to the topic. Let's talk some specifics now. The recommended dose of creatine monohydrate for older adults is 5 grams per day. You can find it in a powder form, such as creatine monohydrate. If you scroll down to the links below, I've included a link where you can purchase it. Mix it into water, juice, or your favorite post-workout shake. I also recommend pairing it with a resistance training program that's focused on building leg strength. The two are going to work synergistically to maximize your muscle growth and your power output. In this video, I outline a leg resistance program for maintaining and building your leg muscles. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm already in my 60s or even my 70s or maybe even older. Isn't it too late for me? The answer is, fortunately, absolutely not. Even people in their 80s and 90s have been shown to respond incredibly well to creatine supplementation. They've rebuilt significant amounts of muscle and regained their independence. So if you are starting to notice that you're not quite as spry as you used to be, maybe you struggle to get up from a chair or find yourself losing your balance more often, don't just chalk it up to getting old. That muscle loss is something that you absolutely can do something about, even if you're well into your golden years. The key is to start taking creatine monohydrate and pairing it with a consistent strength training routine that's focused on your legs. Combining the two is way more effective than just resistance training alone. It might take a little more time and effort, but the payoff in terms of your future mobility, your independence, and your quality of life is going to be immense. Just imagine being able to play with your grandkids, or maybe even your great-grandkids, without worrying about falling, being able to get up from the ground or the floor, Or maybe you want to take that dream vacation without needing a wheelchair or a walker. That is the kind of future that you will be setting yourself up for by taking action on your muscle health today. Now, I know that creatine isn't as flashy or exciting as the latest workout fad or superfood, but the research on its ability to rebuild muscle in older adults is simply undeniable. It is one of the few supplements that I take, and it's truly backed by an overwhelming body of scientific evidence. So, if you are serious about maintaining your independence and your vitality as you age, creatine monohydrate needs to be part of your regime. Combine it with a well-designed resistance training program, and it can help turn back the clock on muscle loss and give you the strength and mobility to enjoy your later years to the fullest. But remember, this is for educational purposes only. I am a doctor, but I'm not your doctor. So before you start any exercise program or take any new supplements, make sure you talk to your doctor and consult with your doctor to make sure that this is the right program for you. Do you want an easy way to start rebuilding that muscle? Then save this post and come back to it after you've talked to your doctor about whether or not it is right for you. The time to take action is now. What are you waiting for? Your independence is worth fighting for. I'm Dr. Joanette. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time on the Dr. Joanette channel.